I took out that seat. There's a piece of gum if you want it, or you can go buy some stuff at Summit Racing if you want. Woohoo! This seat belt is hooked directly to the seat. So over on this side there's a 14mm bolt that comes out of the seat itself, but my socket is too long. Okay, so I'm going to start off by trying to get the center column out. It's kind of a pain. There's a bunch of hidden screws that I didn't see very well. There's one right down there in the cup holders, and one up underneath the front little cup, or little container. Take off the shift knob, and there's some wires underneath that are kind of hard to get to because you can't pull it up very far. Now that I got that out, I get the glove box out. That was pretty easy. And now I'm starting to work on the rear plastic panel. There's a whole bunch of little clips that come out with your fingernails. You just like pick the middle out and you pull it, and then the outside pops out. And then also we're gonna pull off the covers that go over the front of the roll bar hoops up behind the seat backs. So this wind thing just pries up and pops off with a bunch of clips. Don't ticket it, because it's got a paper. So this one, has a built-in roll bar here. I don't know how strong it is, but it's got two head pieces that come up, and then it's got a cross beam that's got bolts going into the frame here and then down to the floor pan right there. So looks pretty good, but probably better than that dumb one I have in the other Miata. So let's work on the dash now. So this just pops out with some good old-fashioned clips. That's nice. this knuckle off the outside. There. So part of the problem was there's a little stud sticking out of the firewall that goes into this little hole here, and it was just kind of stuck on there. Have to just take out those bolts on the side here, not all the little screws. Over here on the outside there's two bolts that go into it that are hidden. Wonder if that connector on the door comes out. It has a lever connector also, and should be 12mm to take the doors off. This little piece was holding it up. Both doors are off. How do I get the dash out? Right here I'm trying to take out the little top speaker so that I can see if there's a bolt underneath it. There wasn't, so that was wasted effort. Here I'm trying to take apart the front area up there and take out the windshield wipers and stuff so that I can see if there's any bolts going in from the outside into the dash, just to make sure. Of course there wasn't. Windshield wipers out. I don't see any bolts going to the dash from out here anywhere. Unless they're in these spots. Nope. Goes to the steering column. didn't help at all, but at least now I don't have to worry about this hitting anything. Anyway, seems like it's loose, it's just something elastic or stretchy. Okay, yeah. Got the dash out.
Nice job.
Thanks. Wiring harness to the engine with the circuit breaker panel. Got most of the wiring out and most of the other pieces, so I can now take this out back. Oh, I guess I still gotta take the brakes out because that's up here for the ABS and all the lines, so I'll think about that, but I might be able to get that out with it on the trailer. So I might just leave it like this and put it on the trailer and take it out back. I'll show you the stuff I got out. Making progress getting this all taken apart. The white Miata is out of the carport and on the utility trailer. Got Shrek up under the carport, but I think I need to load it up on the trailer and take it down and get the VIN inspection before I start pulling it apart. That way they don't have any issues and I can get the title transferred to Nevada from Washington at the same time or while I'm working on it. So I guess I'm gonna load it on the car hauler and take it downtown and get it, make sure I have everything I need. Woohoo.